Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to update Android emojis. If we want to have the latest version of our emoji keyboard, we will do the following. We will go to the settings of our phone. Then we click on an option similar to About Phone. Here we will see the update option and we click on it. Finally, we can carry out the phone update process and thus have the latest version of emojis on our keyboard. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.